Ready, Judge?
Yeah, I'm
Oh, yeah.
She's in her other.
36th District Court, City of Detroit, State of Michigan is now assessed with Honorable Judge Patricia L. Jefferson presiding. You may be seated.
Calling case number 2356206, the people of the state of Michigan versus David West. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed, count 2, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon, count 3, controlled substances, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. Count 5, weapons, felony, firearm, count 6, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender for notice. The people of the state of Michigan versus Marion Martin, defendant number 2 is charged with count 3, controlled substance, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. Count 4, controlled substances, possession, cocaine, heroin, or narcotic less than 25 grams. Habitual offender for notice. These matters are scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Remind Cookie on behalf of the people, PA2800.
Good morning, Judge. Christopher Quinn, P69483, appearing on behalf of David West, who is present.
Cindy Henderson, PA4839, appearing on behalf of Mr. Martin.
all right. Are other people ready to proceed?
Judge, as it relates to defendant number 1, the people are unable to proceed. We ask to dismiss this case without prejudice pending further investigation.
No objection, Judge.
All right, as it relates to defendant number 1, David West. This matter is dismissed as a dismissal without prejudice. All right, for the reasons stated on the record. All right, as Marion Martin.
And as to Mr. Martin, Your Honor, there will be a charge reduction. He will take a plea. He will plead guilty to counts 1 and 2, use of a controlled substance for fentanyl and cocaine respectively, under 333.7404.
And those are misdemeanors.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and so he's pleading guilty to count 1 and 2.
Yes, count 1 and 2 possession will be reduced to use of fentanyl and use of cocaine, the misdemeanors.
All right, counsel for defendant.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, and I'm going to ask the defendant to raise your right hand. And do you affirm the information you provide to this court today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this court has been presented with a plea agreement to reduce the charges against. If you accept this offer, do you understand you will not have a trial of any kind and that you'll be giving up the rights to have a trial, which you have a right to? Do you understand these rights? You understand you have the right to be tried by a jury, to be presumed innocent until proven guilty, to have the prosecutor beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty. You also have the right to have witnesses against you appear at trial and to question those witnesses. Do you understand you'll be giving up all of these rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You also have the right to remain silent and that silence could not be used against you. Do you understand you'll be giving up that right as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Also, if any plea is accepted, you'll also be giving up the right to appeal an issue by right, and that you may be able to appeal only by application for leave to appeal issues regarding your conviction. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you or threatened you in any way to get you to waive your rights and accept this offer today?
No, Your Honor.
All right, factual basis.
Mr. Martin, on or about March 30th, 2023, at or near the location of 19403 Irvington Street in Detroit, Michigan, in the county of Wayne, did you have police contact that day?
Yes.
And did they search you that day?
Yes.
And did they find on your possession fentanyl or cocaine?
Yes.
People are satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied. The court will accept the plea to the reduced charges. This matter will be scheduled for sentencing before Judge Bryant. Do you have a date, Kitty?
Judge, I've been trying to call that courtroom and nobody's answering.
All right, well, we're gonna need to get a hold of the clerk because I believe that the judge schedules the sentencing dates, and so I don't have a date to give the parties at this point in time. So you may want to call back and check with the court clerk. Once she has that date, she'll give you the date for sentencing.
Okay, Judge. Yeah, I'm keep trying to call.
All right, so you just need to notify the parties of what the sentencing date is. That there's nothing else that I can do.
Okay, Judge.
Okay, all right. Thank you all.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
It's crazy. Why she? It's just crazy. Like, how are you? Good. Is Judge, is anybody in Judge Bryant's room? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking for a date. Okay.
All right, be safe out there. Don't fight crime. See you tomorrow.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Okay.
Wednesday.
Doctor Preston.
Yeah.
All right, all right.
Yeah,
all right.
it is.
I like that coat.
Thank you. See you Wednesday, Madam Clerk.
All right. See
Take
you
care.
Wednesday.
You tomorrow?
I'll be here tomorrow.
Okay, we'll see you.
All right.
See you Wednesday.
See ya.
I'll be here tomorrow.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.